Ayan, may ride na naman tayo. Pupunta tayo ng Tanay. Sabado ngayon, time check 3:47 na ng hapon. Yan, tara, let's go. Test me in again, let it rain. Please don't start us up. That black and white, they ain't gang. It's the office. Please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell them park it up. Then that be parking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like I'm turban. Yeah, these all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk. So yun, palubog na yung araw. Abutan na tayo ng dilim. 52 minutes pa. 28 kilometers. Time check 5:25 ng hapon. Yan. Siguro pagdating doon, set up agad ng tent, sabay luto. Yan, sabay relax na lang. Yan, from Marcos Highway, kumanan tayo dito sa Makaira Daraitan Road. Daming tao, grabe. Oh, ganda dun oh. Wow. Diyan yata sa kaya ng balsa. Ayan, nakapila tayo. Ayan, tara, tayo naman. Kanan, Dre. Siya yan. Yan o, tawid tayo ilog o. Dito na. Yeah, let's go! Success! Touchdown!
Picturean eh, isa lang tilapia. Kaya nga, tayo mo na. Tayo po na. Tayo na.
Na, may apoy na kami. Ganda oh.
Bigyan mo ko light. Oo. Baka bumunta dun sa ano. Hindi, lapit ka dito kasi wala kang liwanag.
Sarap, lakas ng apoy.
Lapit ka dito.
Yan, tara, tignan natin yung view.
find romance. Bit by bit I am slowly waking to see what's real, to finally heal. How will I cope without your world? How will I cope without your heartbeat? How will I cope without your love? How will I cope without your world? How will I cope without your heart?
Wala tayong selfie stick. Ilog na tayo.
Welcome home.
Ilog. Uy, gagi. Dulos. Handaan ha. Isa lang madulas pati tayo. Dulos lahat yan.
Uy!
Si ate.
Nagkago! Sumama siya!
Hindi, babalik yan. Pero ito yan kang inaalala mo siya.
Iyakan na naman eh.
Yan yung galing ang naglalabas sila. Oh.
Diba kami?
Uy, bilis.
Yo, sa ilog na uli.
Saan na na-ingron ko? Parang ano si Chirote na yun, nakabigas ka pa. Dadaan tayo sa basa.
May naglalabas sila dun. Hindi, dito. Meron niya, may daanan niya.
Ganda dito. Nakuha na mo ba ito ng drone mo kayo?
Hindi, ang ganda lang. Ganda, ang ganda dito, grabe.
Uy, ako!
Ito,
Ay, malayo pa to.
Mulayo.
ayun na rin sampayan nila, oh. No? Yung bush.
Mabubuhat ko lang din siya. Ano ba naman ang gawang kami ng ganyan?
Ay, walang stick ko.
Yun yung na-expect ko eh, mystic eh.
Namutang ko. Nasa Montero eh. Kasi lang kuya yan, nawala na? Dalawa lang sila? Wow.
Tatay din na nasabi ka doon eh.
Ha?
Siya din na nasabi ka doon.
Kagabi? Yan, tayo naman. Sino mo na si Eugene? Pinakadulo ka din, Jean. Sabi ka mauna, trekit na.
Bakit pa mo? Ate, ba't di pa po kayo ng kape?
Wait lang. Wait lang kuya.
Asa?
Whip, whip.
Matakot! River crossing! Nahulog eh.
before.